What's going on, everybody? So I'm a little late on opening this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm late for everything. So we had a Christmas gift exchange there with some people from the community, and got the box from Mr. Tasman Kenny Fuller. He's got some freaking crafty artsy stuff going on here. Tasmaniacs for life. He's even got a double bit on there. All right, let's get this puppy open. It's tonight, what is it, January 4th? I'm only like 2 weeks late like I usually am. It says fragile. I don't know what's up. Detailed description says blanket. Blankets aren't fragile, so I don't know what's up. He's got it taped pretty darn good. Considering the Christmas rush, that's not too bad. A little bit of cosmetic damage there. Just bent, but not too shabby. Where is the seam? I'm assuming it's where this goes across. I don't know what's in here, FYI. That's one sharp knife, and that's one tough tape. Oh, no, I got it. Okay, wonderful. This knife might be a couple sharpenings dull at the moment. It's been used for a lot of things the last few days. Open up IKEA furniture, boxes and stuff like that. Yeah, that tip's not as sharp as it should be. Actually, did he double there? Oh no, that's just, oh yeah, he did double there. No, single there. That's some thick tape. Kenny, use the good duct tape, buddy. You definitely get what you pay for with duct tape. I have discovered that. For anybody that's received packages from me there, or has seen the packages I've sent, I wrap them with duct tape, but it depends what I pick up. Some are thinner, some are thicker. I'm assuming this is actually probably Gorilla duct tape. Alright, so what do we got? You're reusing? I'm assuming that's Amazon packaging, bubble wrap. That's what that puppy looks like. I don't know where this is going yet. Dude, that's awesome. What do they call these? Double lock? What do you want? Okay, so yeah, I think these are called double lock. It's rated for probably fat people by the size of that thing. It should handle my weight. Another carabiner, Black Diamond USA. I'll have to talk to you more about that, Kenny. Dude, what did you do? What in the hell did you send me? No way. You are trying, or not trying, but you are definitely helping me with startup. What size? 3.5 by 2. Okay. I'll have to pick up some new wedges. Dude, what the heck did you put in here? I don't know what that is in the bottom yet. I don't know if these are anything, or no, that is not. Or is this just packing? I don't know if you're trying to throw me for a loop. No, that's definitely empty. I'm assuming this probably felt like it was. Yep, I think that's empty. Oh man, Kenny, what did you do, buddy? I'll have to reuse that box for something. You really throw me for a loop with all these empty mailing. No way. I tell by the shape. I think I know what these are. I think. That knife down. I gotta put that thing on the steel. Okay, give me a sec here. Alright. I didn't sharpen the knife. It is definitely tough. Either that or this packaging is like reinforced with something that this old SOG is having issues cutting through, because I was cutting box with that thing yesterday. It was like zing. What do we got here? An axe scabbard. I think that's what called scabbard? The axe holders? Dude, Kenny, it's freaking awesome, man. I don't know what to say. That is definitely a solid start moving forward. And for those who don't know, come spring, I'm shooting for opening up a local small arborist business here. So, Kenny, thank you. That's bright. That stuff is definitely a solid start. Thank you again, Kenny, for everything. That's Tasman Kenny Fuller, if you guys aren't aware. Dude, I don't even know what to say. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't know what to say. So, I know I'm late. I'm late for everything. So, what was I going to say? Yeah, so there's a bunch of equipment I still have to pick up, but this is definitely going to be a good start to getting everything that I need, from climbing gear, rigging gear, and whatnot. I don't know what to say, Kenny. Dude, you got me lost for words. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna shut her down. Kiddo's on a visit. We got some quiet time for a couple hours. I just figured I would do this quick because, well, like I said, I'd be late for my own funeral. Anybody that knows me in like person that knows, we're late for everything. Man, thank you, Kenny. So let's go and finish that off there, and we'll get fired up on some videos hopefully soon. We'll talk to you guys later.